Whistle Pulse bafethu. Mapakania. Nihambe njani eLoftus?
Uyabona namhlanje si very disappointed. First of all size lana sizolanda 3 points because mesifuna ukuhlala ku number 1. But unfortunately iSundowns iye yasihlakaniphela uyakora kuqala. Mayikora kuqala mesizitshela ukuthi ladies first then the gentlemen. On the which very it was the truth. It was ladies first then the gentlemen came. It's just that the gentlemen azanga ikwazi ukuqedelela. But manje uyabona I'm not a person othanda ukuquestiona ama decisions our coach because the coach uyenza umsebenzi wakhe nathi as fans senza umsebenzi wethu. But the coach today I feel ukuthi mokumele afake umuntu onje ngombatha. Umbatha can shoot from range. We needed someone also shooter from range. I mean remember ukuthi umbatha uthathwe ilento icoach squad ahlale benchini kuPirates wafika wathatha isquad wasisa America. You understand? So today we needed that. We needed umbatha athathe iPirates ayise ku number 1. So
you basically saying ukuthi coach got it wrong esiswini.
Yeah, coach his substitution got it wrong somehow. Mangimbona ebenchini umbatha I believed ukuthi uzomfaka as a sub, as a super sub, as umuntu ozofika athathe iPirates ayise ku number 1.
So manje kulaba abafakile at the end of the day ushilo ukuthi angeke uze question icoach because uyazi into ayenzayo at the end of the day. Kunabantu abafakile. Ucabangani ngabo labo abantu abafakile? Specifically Tito and Mbuthuma.
Okay, now
no, but otherwise it was a great day to witness Muremi and Police.
Yeah.
It was a great day to witness them.
Let me answer the question. Abantu abafakile they are good players. They always come and win the game sometimes. But today we needed someone who can shoot from range, of which it was Mbata who was sitting down. You understand? Yes. So laba abafakile abantu abadlala njengalaba abakhipile, they will take the ball and put it back and pass. We needed someone who can shoot from range. You understand?
Ball players. So much is this one. How do you feel about the substitution yaga Police? Mark Tua, we are Puma Police. How did you feel about that?
It was sad to witness that, but Police who best. Who best Police.
So, according to an man of the match,
Bona, player of the season.
Yeah.
Bona, Police best. Bagahe. Hi. Bona. Ay, man.
So much how do you with the very same question Noguti Police, you know, I'm having a lot of positive insight on Police. Umephuma ku pitch of play bam substitute usizwe kanjani ngaleyo decision ya coach?
Uyabona vele each and every good player can be substituted as long as you do a right substitution ngalo muntu lo mkhiphayo. Uyabona if ufake umuntu ozofika ayenze a change ozofika adlale better than lo, you understand, will be happy. Asinankinga ukuthi uApolice substitute is a player like anybody. Masizelana we not here to support a certain player. We here to support the badge Orlando Pirates. Each and every player we support. You understand? So noma bakhipha bani bafaka bani as long uzofika umdlali azo represent the badge.
Azodlalela for the badge. Orlando Pirates niyasho ukuthi mababuya ngale Scotini kuyoba yini?
Lapho eScotini lapho noma kanjani bayazi nabo sobe sesithatha i3 points.
Bayazi nabo.
Hayi ukuthi bayayisoy basilanda bazobe bayiletha. Angithi bazosuka la beze eScotini bazobe basilethele i3 points.
Deliver. Special delivery from Mamelodi Sundowns. Aningishayeleni Papakania.
My blood is red, my skin is black. Forever Bakania.